Going on, guys? Welcome to another night of Ryan's Radar. It is February 7th, Wednesday? Yes, it's Wednesday. So, going right into what we're seeing for price. So, before that, uh, the pairs this morning were very choppy. There really wasn't a lot of volatility until like later after in the later parts of New York session. There was some volatility that pushed it down for a sec. The price really just completely retraced, and this isn't done. I do believe we are going to see prices continue up for both EU and GU, even though price is in supply right now, which I don't usually buy in supply. That's one of the rules. So I do believe that price will continue up at least to this 15-minute supply to begin with, which you can see the price right here, and past that up into this area. So you have the 800 moving average, which for anybody that's traded market makers method knows the power of that moving average. But we have a 15-minute supply right here as well, which also is like right above that. So if you guys are looking for some sort of buying conditions, either it's going to have to be after price comes up and hits that 15-minute supply, comes back down and retests demand, then goes up, or it's going to have to be when price shoots down into these supply points here or demand points. And then we see price come up to here, which you could take an intraday buy from the lows here to the 15-minute here, or hold it until it gets to that 800 moving average. So it really all depends what your preference is, but I'm going to find out more tomorrow morning. So speaking of tomorrow morning, there is no news other than this. So tomorrow morning at 7:30 Central, we have jobless claims, and then at the same time we have Fed Barkin speech. So that's going to add a little bit of volatility to the dollar news, and that should push the trades in this right direction. So, but like I was just saying on the other call, uh, I am short-term bullish. That doesn't just because when I say I'm bullish, I don't mean that price is going to just skyrocket to the highs here. I mean that short term for the day, we're going to see price come up and then it could retrace back down, kind of making its move overall back down to the low. Or if I'm wrong and it continues up, that means price is going to come up and it has to break this 15-minute supply here. Once it breaks that 15-minute supply, it's pretty much going to be a game over trade for price to retrace back down, and then we'll look for that initial push back up. So take your time. Just know that price is gradually making its move. It's Asian session going into London. So expect prices to be choppy or just slow moving to their destinations. And then for GBP, just like I was saying, this is in a unique position where I believe price is going to continue straight up into this 200 moving average here on the 1 hour, and maybe farther into this 15-minute supply, which is containing the 800 moving average. So all bullish for the night. Uh, like I said, I'm not touching these pairs until tomorrow morning. I'll see what they're looking like, and if they do somehow reach up into these upper supply zones, then I'll look for sells. I'm not, like I said, I only like to sell in supply. That's it. So if price continues to break, that's great. That's really great. But not my type of trades. But for those of you that are those type of traders and they do, and you'd like to, capture the moves as they go for it. I think you are going to get some pips off of this, but if price also has that ability, just like EU, instead of going straight up to here, it could drop first down to these demands on the 1 hour, 15-minute, 5-minute, and then make that move up. So it's really up to you what you want to wait for. I personally would wait for something like this before I decided to buy, not hope that it breaks out. But I can tell you that based on my experience that I see price continuing to be bullish. So we'll move on from that. That is all we're looking at for tonight. EU and GU are both bullish. Find your best opportunity to get in some buys. And if you guys haven't yet, get in the elite group. We have a lot of members in there. The chat's growing, and I'm giving out signals pretty much every damn day, telling you guys what what trades I'm looking at and whether or not I am trading. If you guys are looking at other pairs, look at it there. And you can get a 2-week trial free. Just come in, check it out, see if you like it. If you don't like it, no, nothing happens. That's it. You move on. So no harm in checking it out. But I'll leave it at that. I will talk to you guys tomorrow and see what the markets give us tomorrow morning. Peace out.